Dr. Sharma sir, faculty members, and all the dear participants. We welcome you all for the today's webinar session on how to write a book and become a published author. So for today's seminar, today's webinar, we have our eminent speaker with us, Dr. Parikshit Mahale sir. Dr. Parikshit Mahale sir has completed his BE in Computer Science, in Masters in Computer Engineering, and he has completed his PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from Aalborg University, Denmark. He has more than 19 years of teaching experience. He is a senior member in IEEE and a lifelong member of CSI and ISTE chapter. He has also remained technical program committee member for international conferences. He has published more than 140 research publications at national and international journals. He has 1079 citations and 13 H indexes. He has edited 5 books under his name and 7 patents with him. So without the further ado, I will request Dr. Mahale sir to continue the session. Sir, please.
Okay. So I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So very good morning to all of you. At the outset, I am very much thankful to the Takala College of Engineering, Bere sir and entire team for inviting me to share my views on this interesting topic, that is how to become good author, or author can be for book or paper. So very good morning to all of you. The complete session I have divided into 2 parts. The first part we will talk about what skills are required to be a good author. Author not only for book, but author can be for your research paper, or it can be for book. And then we'll talk about what skills you need to develop to become a good author. So you can see in title, I use the word good author. So becoming an author is fine, but you should be a good author, then only you will get recognition and you will get branding across the globe. So let me start with a very interesting point. As we did our schooling, and in schooling also we used to read many books. And sometime while reading some books, some chapters, some topic, immediately we like one of the book, or we like one of the author. So especially when we talk about 2 things, book and author. So what you like? If I will ask you a very simple question, that you like book or you like author? So interesting answer you will find. There is a statistics, and almost 90% of the analysis says that we recognize book by author. We don't recognize book, we recognize author. So what is important is to become a good author, you need lot of passion, so that you can convert your thought process into a complete book which you are presenting. So when we talk about writing a book, what is important is we should have that thought process in mind, because book represents author. So when we talk about my thought process, and when I'm trying to write it in the form of book, then always that book represented author. And then that's the skill we will see how to build these skills across the experience. As you know that nobody born as a teacher, nobody born as an author, nobody born as a researcher. Always we inculcate these skills, so that I would like to be a good teacher. We inculcate the skills so that we can be a good author, and then eventually we keep on developing the skills across the journey. As already, thank you for nice introduction. In my introduction, already there it is discussed that I have written around 5 edited books, and I have also 12 authored books to my credit. And when you start this journey of writing book, believe me, you will enjoy this journey, because once you write one book, then it will give you another idea to write second book, and then eventually you will keep on building this skill. So it is a skill which cannot be built in a day, which cannot be built in a year, but it will take a lot of years to build these skills. So let's proceed. I hope my slides are visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
okay, that's perfect. So what is purpose of this presentation is we'll illustrate what are important guidelines in writing or organizing your paper or book. I will also share my research experiences with which will put forth some of the examples of writing book. And one point is very clear, that why we go for paper, why we go for publications. So writing paper, writing books, there are lots of aspects which comes with this product. It can be paper or it can be book. So let's see few points, like it should be planned from the beginning. To write a book, what is important is, first we think about table of content, and that is the first step. Any publication house will ask for you. They will ask you first to write a table of content. So table of content will give you a rough idea about what this book is covering, and what are different topics in that book. And then once this table of content, we also call it as index. And once this index is final, then we start writing first chapter, second chapter, and so on. So definitely it will add to your CV, and no doubt the other rewards which comes with publications are, this is just you can see, this is my Google Scholar profile. As you know that Google Scholar is the web portal for maintaining research account of every researcher across the globe. And why I'm posting this, this is a screenshot of yesterday's Google Scholar status, and you can see here I have 1,103 citations to my credit. So daily, when you will see that Google Scholar profile, you can see here there is also H index. H index is 13. So what H index means? There are 13 papers cited 13 times in my research profile. So you can see here, this is just a snapshot, but this Google Scholar profile will not maintain only research papers, but also they maintain your books which are published in the past. So now you can see here the entire publication houses like IEEE, Springer, ACM, and their editor-in-chiefs for every journal. They always look for reviewers, they always look for co-editors, and then definitely question should be there in your mind, that how they see that researchers are working in which field. So this is basically Google Scholar profile, which is accessed by almost all editor-in-chiefs to see that can we send their particular paper for review, and this is how you get recognition. As you get one paper for review from particular journal, and when you complete that review, then definitely you get another papers for review, and this is how Google Scholar profile will help you to get recognition. So you can see here a very interesting example. This is my first paper, which was written in 2010, and this paper has got 257 citations. So 257 citations means this paper is referred by 257 researchers across the globe, and you feel good every day when you get that notification from Google Scholar. Every day you feel that it gives you that feel good factor, that yes, somebody is referring to our work. It is also possible that sometime when your paper is referred, I don't see who has referred it, but I see that in which journal that paper is referred. I see that for which publication that paper is referred, and then that will definitely give you lots of credit. So let's move ahead. Why to write paper, or why to write a book? So definitely the first point is, we would like to be always a better writer. So definitely when we say that writing, so writing is very interesting, because there are two things. As I'm presenting here and I'm suppose writing, so when I'm presenting my presentation to some audience, then you are there to explain. If some
हॅलो बेरी सर.
हॅलो.
सरांचा आवाज कट झाला.
हा, आवाज कट झाला. एक मिनिट. हॅलो.
सरांना एक कॉल करा बरं एकदा.
एकच मिनिट.
your book, and the way that you write is very important. So writing style, we'll see some examples if time permits. Very simple statement are there, but that statements matters a lot, and I will share some examples with you. So second reason is knowledge discovery. When you write in a book, please try to understand before writing. You need lot of reading, and when you read, you discover some knowledge. When you read, when you explore, always we learn many things. And you know, there is very interesting factor which we call it as plagiarism. There is no research which is core. Every research is applied, it is published in some or other form. But when you are expressing your knowledge, what is important is you are not supposed to pick up the statements which are available in the literature, but you have to reframe that statement. You have to reframe your thought process. And when you are reframing your thought process, when you are reframing your statements, always there is a knowledge discovery. So knowledge discovery is very important word, because always when you write paper, when you write book, always we have to read first, and when you read, you always discover the knowledge. So third point is knowledge dissemination. Knowledge dissemination is one of the important factor which play a vital role when we write any book, because knowledge dissemination is one of the basic objective of writing book, because that is how you collect, you distribute your knowledge to the audiences. And when you talk about these audiences, always I have my own experience that when you are back to the same point as we were on the types of audiences. So always there are three types of audiences. Sometimes the audience are very beginners in their domain knowledge. Second type of audiences are they are okay with their domain knowledge, and third type of audiences are very expert. So these are three types of audiences always they are available. And when you write any book, always you have to see that which audience you are targeting. Sometimes if you are writing a book which is very basic, so in that case definitely expert readers will not prefer your book. So always you have to understand that what audiences you are targeting. Fourth point is to prove them wrong. This is actually one of the bold statement I am putting on the slide, but sometimes we also write book to prove some theory wrong. So this is one of the area where there are some literatures available, and then we try to prove that, or rather you try to contradict. So in this case, this is the fourth point come when we want to prove something wrong. Then also one of the reason why we write a book. Fifth point is no doubt you get recognition. You get recognition in terms of money. You get recognition in terms of your identity across the globe. So recognition is one of the important factor when why we generally write book. Contribution to the society, already knowledge dissemination is also one of the reason why it is there. And networking is another important point, because when you write book, you comes in the list of authors, and where you start building your network not only nationally but also internationally. Because the books, if you are writing with good publication houses, maybe Springer, IEEE, then in that case always we get a good networking. And last point, no doubt we also get good royalty when you write a book. So these are few areas where there are some reasons why we write a book. And always you should think about all these points when you write a book. So I will not suggest that only you write a book for money. No, always.
Hello.
Lot of passion to write a book. Then the second point, second P is patience. Why we require patience while writing a book? Because when you write, you should understand the process of writing a book with good publication houses like Springer, Taylor and Francis, elsewhere, CRC Press, is that when you write a first book proposal, first you have to write table of content, and also you have to send one sample chapter to the press. So when you send any sample chapter, they take around 2 months, 3 months time to review your chapter. They see that what quality of the chapter is there written by you. They see what is novelty. They send it to some reviewers, so that reviewers will give you comment, and then you have to also work on that comments, and then finally you shape up your chapter. So patience is one of the important P, which is required to write a book or write a paper. So next is peace. Why peace is required? Because you cannot express your thought process if you do not have peace. So a lot of peace is required, and this is the best period of COVID pandemic where you can think of writing a book, because you have a lot of peace. You're at home and you get that peaceful environment to write your book. Next is poise, is also will. Confidence is very much important, because when you write something, you should have that confidence, you should have that courage to convince readers that yes, what statement I'm making in my book is not invalid. Sometimes we write a very bold statement, sometimes we write new model in the book. So in that case, you should be very confident when you write a book. And the last is personal branding, last P. So these are 5 P's. I will again walk you through these 5 P's. First is a passion. You require a lot of passion to write a book. Next is you require a lot of patience. Next, you require peace to convert your thought process into statements. You also require poise. We also call it as confidence. And then last is you require personal branding. Personal branding is, as already I started with that, books are identified by author. So, if the author is good, then always readers will prefer that book to read, and then they will also publicize. So when you write a book and when readers read it, it is basically mouth publicity. As we know that the mouth publicity, any film releases, always there is a mouth publicity for that film, and then the next show will be full with all customers. The same thing is applicable to book. Book has got a lot of require a lot of personal branding, so that book will be lifted in the market. So let's go for now hints for successful publication. There are some hints from my side, like important principle. Logically perfect is very important. When you write any theory, when you write any statement, it should be logically perfect, and logically perfect contents will be only preferred by readers. So you should be very clear that you are not doing anything wrong. You can see this very interesting picture. Can you see the how that gunman is lifting the gun? So you should be very careful about you are not doing anything wrong when you write a book. Then, so it is like a cooking. You need to take care of every side. Like while cooking in a dish, always you have to think about whether it is boiled properly, whether the salt is proper. So everything, all sides you have to take care when you write a book. So same thing is there for writing a book or paper, because simply putting your contents in any other form is not important. You have to make it more simple. You have to make it more explainable. You have to make it crisp. You have to make it understand that even you are not there to explain, readers should understand what you are meaning to say. So this is like writing a book is like a cooking, so you need to take care of every side. So now you can see here the interesting example I have tried to put. You have good work, but it is not written properly. Then writing is very important. Writing skills, because you have very good work you are done, but if you are not writing it properly, then it will lead to bad paper or bad book. So having a good work is the first thing, no doubt, to write, shape up any book, but it should be well written. If it is not well written, then it might lead to bad paper or bad book. So poor language, you have to think about when every statement it is written in the book matters a lot, because in every statement you are putting some thought process so that that thought process will be understood by all readers. So let's move ahead. So you can see here, good ideas and results, if not well presented, will have little impact. So presentation is very important when you are writing a book. The way you are presenting will definitely attract your readers. And once your book is attracted, then it will take very short time to get branding for your book. So when you think about any paper or any book, it has always three parts: format, style, and content. So you can see here, contents matters a lot because contents represent the quality of book. But at the same time, style is also important. The way you are presenting your paragraph, the way you are presenting your chapter, and then finally format is also important when you write. So these are three major components of writing a book. So these are some examples. These are some books which are written by me. So you can see here, when you talk about book, there are three types of book. One is edited book, where you collect papers from the researchers and you try to present your book. Second type of book is authored book, where you are writing all chapters are written by you. And the fourth type of book is, we also call it as monograph. Monograph means you collect, you present rather collection of papers in the book, and finally collection of papers will give you rather birth to the new book. So these are three types of book. So this is the example where, context aware pervasive systems and application. This is my authored book published by Springer. Then next is, this is recent book just published in last month, and the title of this book is Data Analytics for Coronavirus Disease COVID-19 Outbreak. So this is just recently published book by CRC Press, and this was my dream book, and just you will not believe, this book was completed in 20 days. So in 20 days time, because it was a fast track book, because publication wanted it in very short time, because there was a boom of COVID-19. So this is also authored book by CRC Press. Then this is also another authored book, Internet of Things Integrated Augmented Reality. This is by Springer, which is already published in the last month. So this is one of the example of Springer book, but this is edited book. You can see here, as I mentioned, edited book is like you collect some papers from researcher, you compile them, you put them in proper order, and then finally you give rise to the next book. So the examples which I have posted, these are authored books, and this is edited book, one of the edited book which I have posted on the slide. But there are more books to my credit. But this is just an example that you can think about writing a book, because first I would suggest, please think about authored book, because authored book will give you more recognition, more rewards as compared to edited book. So let's move to a important point which I would like to share, and then maybe I will conclude. So I hope I'm audible.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, very good. So I will share one example, like slides are visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see here, as I will give you example of very interesting statements, and then you will only tell me that yes, this statement is better or this statement is better. So you can see here, there are some examples on the slide. As you can see, instead of that, you can see as one can see. So as one can see, this statement looks more convincing, as compared to as you can see. The chip's features looks better, or features of chip look better. So you can tell me immediately, because that matters a lot. The way you are putting your statement, the circuit performed well and the noise level was low. The circuit performed well and the noise level was low. The circuit performed well, in addition the noise level was low. So these are three statements, and I hope it is very clear that last statement looks more convincing as compared to first two, right? So these are some hints of how you can improve on the languages. So this is simple method, but seems not to be properly discussed so far. This is simple method, but so far is not fully discussed. So these are ways how we are putting our thought process, and what, in my opinion, what is important is the way you are writing. But before writing, yes, no doubt, you should have very good domain knowledge to express your thought process, and then you have to think about how will you make it more simple. So I think with this, I am done, but I would be happy to answer your questions if you have. Please raise your questions if you have. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, questions आए गए? Hello.
We need to wait, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Questions? Hello.
I want to ask.
Hello.
Hello.
Any questions?
Yes, sir. One question.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Can you elaborate more on royalty of the book?
Elaborate on?
Royalty.
Okay, very good. Royalty is, there are two types of royalties. If you take example of Springer, they give you one-time royalty when your book is published, and then if you take example of other press, then they give you royalty based on your sale. So generally royalty is 10% of the net cost. So if there are, rather not net cost, net sale. So always the standard royalty is 10%, but it varies from 10 to 12% from publication to publication. I hope your question is answered.
Sir, have you wrote that book within 20 days, sir?
Yeah, very good question. Actually, I was just thinking about how this COVID-19 will spread, and suddenly thought came in my mind that there should be good data analytic techniques required for COVID-19, and then it was, complete plan was ready in my mind. And fortunately, when I talked to CRC Press, they accepted my proposal, and then we could write this entire book in 20 days. So just, COVID started, and the last month only this book got released. So writing a book in 20 days is not a big deal. What is important is you should have that much domain knowledge in your mind so that you can express your thought process.
What is this?
Hello.
book
Can
all
you
about, sir?
elaborate more on writing author book?
Writing?
Hello.
Please.
Authored book.
Yeah.
You have just explained, sir, authored book. Can you
Yeah.
elaborate more on writing? How?
Authored book means you are writing your own contents. Edited book means you are collecting papers from the researcher and you are compiling them. So I would suggest when you want to write a book, always go for authored.
Hello.
Yeah.
So my question is, as a novice learner, as I don't have any research experience,
Yeah.
can you give me some tips how I can start at initial level?
Very good. Actually, writing any book requires a lot of reading. Hello. Writing any book requires a lot of reading, and you should first think about the topic on which you want to write a book. So first decide the topic, explore contents in that topic, and then eventually you will realize that yes, how this book will take a shape. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please.
Good morning, sir. You have said about writing the books and content we can do it, but how to identify the publishers?
Okay. Publishers, as you know that there are standard publication houses. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Yeah. So,
Hello.
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 Can you please mute audio? Yeah. So when you want to write a
Hello,
book,
sir.
always, yeah. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. When you want to
We
write
can
a
hear.
book, always you have to first prepare a table of content and proposal, and then based on the interest of the publication houses, sometime even you write a book on IoT, suppose, So Springer will not prefer books on IoT because there are lots of books in IoT. So you have to first think that which are the crux areas where there is a requirement of book, and if your proposal is good, believe me, publication houses will take follow up from you because they want good authors, they want book because that is also their business. So I will suggest go for either Springer or Taylor and Francis or CRC Press.
For the beginner, which publisher you suggest, sir, for the beginner who are writing the
It's
books?
not like, see, if you want to start a first book, then I will suggest start with the local publication houses, not local authors, but local publication houses like Tata Micro Hill, Cambridge University Press. So these are good publication houses where you can start your first book. As I remember, I started my first book with Cambridge University Press on design and analysis of algorithm. So that was a nice experience for me. And then eventually you can think about, so there are books on the subject topic, books on the research topics, and books on the applied topics. So based on the type of book, you have to decide which publisher you will select.
But are they charging? Hello.
Yeah?
Hello. Are they charging? Are they charging various charges?
For
Hello?
charges means they will give you royalty. They will not charge anything. Their job is entire job will be done by their entire team. You need not worry about formatting also. You have to just send the contents.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, language editing?
Language editing also done by them. Proofreading is done by them, but you have to also take care at your end that you are writing at least fair enough material, and then proofreading is done by their team.
Sir, I need your
Hello,
mail
sir.
ID.
Yeah, mail ID is posted on the slide, albok.pnm@gmail.com.
Pardon?
It is there on the slide. You can see.
Hello.
Hello, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, I want to ask you
Sir, I
about
want to ask you one question.
that is
If
more
I
on
want to
the
write the abstract for 500 to 1000 word for the book chapter, what I need to write in that?
You have to write always, when you write abstract, always you have to first prepare a platform of that topic, then talk about the problems which you are targeting, then talk about the solution approach, and then last part should be the outcome. So always your abstract should be divided into 4 components.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any softwares are available in our market to remove plagiarisms?
There are lots of software. Turnitin is there, Urkund is there, Grammarly is there. It depends, but all are paid. Free softwares are not reliable, and I will not suggest that you go for free versions.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question regarding nursing books. Nursing books. We want to write. Can you please suggest me how to go?
No. Nursing, yeah, I don't have any, because I represent engineering, so I will not be able to answer your question. Nursing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so I think all questions are done.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. So I would like to ask how to create our account as an author.
You need not create any account as an author. Publisher will take care of that.
But sir, there may be chances of name of duplication.
No.
Maybe
that's what I'm telling you, that everything will be taken care by publishers. You need not worry about it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Can you please tell me about at least a copyright about our books? How can we make the copyrights ourselves?
When you write any book, always copyright are with publisher.
If they say that they want to give the copyright with us and the ownership with them.
Yeah, so there are 3 types of always copywriting. Sometimes copyrights are with author. Sometimes when you write a paper, copyrights are with publisher. But for books, copyrights are with author.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
So, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, actually, I want to ask you, sir, as we are doing the thesis, so can we publish this thesis as a book?
Yeah, there are some publication houses. They ask for extended version of your thesis, and they can convert your thesis in the form of book. So there is opportunity, but you have to take care of plagiarism, because you cannot publish your thesis as it is, because already thesis is online.
Yes, yes, sir.
Right. So you have to extend. As I myself have written my, I have extended my thesis in the form of book, but it is an extended version.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if we write a review of different papers or which are published already, is it acceptable as a chapter in any Springer book?
Possibility is less, but it depends on how you write that survey paper. Just to share with you, yesterday only my first survey paper on COVID-19 is accepted in Springer Nature Journal of Computer Science. But it took almost 2 months and 3 revisions, but finally it is accepted yesterday. Because
Sir,
Okay, sir.
yeah.
Currently, I have written an article on COVID-19, which is covering the whole thing of coronavirus.
Okay.
The title which I have given is Everything About Coronavirus.
Okay. So if your survey paper is good, then you can think of putting it for good journal, because
So can you please suggest me the UGC indexed journals?
you can go for Springer Nature Journal of Computer Science. If your survey paper is good, they will accept it.
Springer?
You
Nature.
suggested that we can publish our thesis as an extension. Can you please help me understand that? How do you say it?
Okay, actually, when we write a thesis is already published, it is online. So you cannot publish your thesis as it is, but every chapter of your thesis you can extend and you can convert it into book. Extended version of every chapter.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Okay, so I think Bere sir, I am done
Yes,
with once again. Thank you to you for invitation, and I hope.
Just a minute, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello? All participants, please just for 5 minutes. Professor
Hello.
Sapkal, sir, are you there?
Sir. Yes, sir. I will take over from there.
Okay.
Thank you. So as the session is coming to an end, I would like to extend my gratitude toward Dr. Mahale sir. So thank you for sharing your expertise with us. And I thank our Computer Department HOD, Professor Rajpure sir, and organizer of today's webinar event, session, Professor Bere sir, and Professor Popat sir for all the technical support he has given to us. And thank you for joining us webinar. And there's an announcement also. We are organizing a webinar tomorrow on tools for PhD aspirants. So the link will be shared in the chat box. So I request everyone to follow the link. And thank you for joining. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Good day. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bere sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we leave the meeting, sir?
Yes, sir. Not a problem. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
कल भी यही टॉपिक है क्या?
नहीं मैम, कल रिसर्च टूल्स फॉर पीएचडी एस्पिरेंट्स है. आप वो भी देखते कि हाउ टू राइट like that. That will be.
What about feedback of today's session?
We have shared, sir, in link we have shared in chat box, sir, for feedback of today's webinar, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow's webinar.
Tomorrow's webinar is on research tools
Yes,
for
sir.
PhD
Research tool for
aspirants.
PhD aspirants. So everyone can join them. The one who wants
All
to write
participants
PhD
are
thesis.
requested. Please check the chat box. Hello.
Yes, sir.
The webinar link is to be shared in the chat box. Please see the chat box.
So what will be
Sir, but now when you exit, the chat box will get deleted off. So can you
For that, just
Hello,
we
sir.
will wait for. We will wait
check
for
the
few minutes.
chat box and click on the link.
Yeah, you can
Sir.
open the link. We will wait for few minutes.
Can you
Hello, sir.
have you created the WhatsApp group of the same?
Yes.
Certificate is not downloaded.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Use your mail ID, ma'am.
Sir,
Use
I
your mail
put
ID.
my mail ID, but it shows record not found.
Okay.
Same here.
Can you register for the event?
Yes, same mail ID, sir. But they shows the record not found. I also enter my phone number also.
Okay, ma'am.
It showed same.
Just Just wait for the 5 to 10 minutes. Definitely your certificate
Hello,
will
ma'am.
be.
I will share
Okay,
my contact number. Please contact me. Huh?
Okay,
Okay,
if
okay,
you are
sir.
having any
Please share,
problem,
sir.
please contact on the technical number which is to be given
Ji, ji.
in our
Okay, sir.
message. Hello, any doubts?
Sir,
There is no feedback
कहीं
option.
परेशानी आ गई तो आपका कांटेक्ट नंबर दे दीजिए प्लीज.
Yes, already shared in your message also, ma'am. Do you have
Okay, okay, sir.
today's
Feedback
webinar
option
message?
is not there, sir.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Okay, it is
Thank you, sir.
given in the chat box also.
Yes, yes.
If you are having
9075.
any problem, right?
Ji.
Anything
Ji,
else?
sir.
Anything else?
No, sir, no, sir.
So there is no
Okay.
feedback link. Feedback link is not there.
Hello.